Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, we are officially on episode 3 of Uthando Nesthembu. And listen, I'm just going to say one thing. The content is contenting, guys. Haibo, you know what? I'm gonna need us. Besides izinto zikaMusa anazo that we're gonna complain about ukuthi bekadelela kanjani according to his wives last season, I'm gonna need us guys to just give him a moment of silence because madoda. Hayibo, Musa, as DSTV said, he is the gift that keeps on giving, guys. Let's not lie. Unless or let me speak for myself. Listen, Uthando Nesthembu, guys, entertains me. And listen, this season, as I'm saying, we are only on episode 3, and I'm enjoying it so much. I'm like, listen, Musa, you really gave us something to watch. Those Siakala, there's Team Banban, Team Watchat. But listen, Ukai, he has done a work in having this reality show Uthando Nesthembu. I low-key feel like it's just something that we as South Africans can share together. And you know what? Well done to him for bringing us such quality TV, you guys. Anyway, let's get right into it. Episode 3, guys. Musa is taking his wives out to dinner. Akabatshela ukuthi hayibo kanti siya kwi-watch party. Siya kwi-reunion. Reunion yes, season 7. This was interesting to see, guys. I think as fans, it was nice to see kinda their reactions in a sense. But the rest, Umayeni, Makhumalo no Mangwabe, they didn't seem surprised at anything that was said when they were watching a snippet of season 7. The only person that was so surprised is Umatsele. And my question is, guys, Umatsele akaibukeli Uthando Nesthembu. I was surprised because she was shocked at the things her husband was saying about her. I'm like, ma'am, kanti thina mawusibona sikhuluma ngoMusa, you think ukuthi siyamsukela. The things that he said about his individual wives last season was just surprising. Listen, everyone was catching strays. It was like an Oprah Winfrey show where it was like you getting in Tamba, everyone is getting disrespected. Because even Uchobile Shame, she also got disrespected last season. But at least DNA yake beyingono nyana. Anyway, guys, one thing I must give to Umatsele, guys, in this episode is that Angitu Musa told them ukuthi they must dress up and look nice because they're going to a dinner. She looked so cute, guys. Aibo Umatsele looked so cute, guys. She looked very beautiful, and I feel like she dressed for the occasion. Now, Umseleko, guys, he went all out okokala ukashe imoto to go and fetch his wives. Besides Umayeni, remember, guys, Umayeni akasekho eMzumbe, she's not staying there. And then so he fetched the other wives. It was the set up Yalendawa where they're having the dinner / reunion. That one was all cute. It was the flowers. He brought them each a bouquet of flowers. That was kind of sweet, but niyamazke uMangwabe. uMangwabe hlezi kunobat. uMangwabe was like, Umusa akalaleli yazi, ngimtshelile mina ukuthi angiwathanda ama-flowers. And she was like, hayi mina ngizowalahlela ama-flowers. Umatsele was like, no, walethe kumina if you don't like flowers. So I'm gonna give him, like, I'm complimenting him for the fact that he went all out when it came to that setup. Also, this season, guys, when you watched episode 1, did you see Umatsele's house, guys? Did she upgrade it? Did she renovate it or what? Haibo, guys, her house is looking so beautiful, you guys. Yeah. Anyway, guys, Musa, when all of his wives are there, he says, Wuti, this is the last supper as Tandazin. Remember when Jesus was with these disciples, he says, Wuti, this is the last supper. Let us pray. And that prayer was needed because I'm just like, yo. But one thing I've said on my previous comments, guys, is that you see these diary sessions, I feel like yizo ezilwisa abantu because people say much more harmful things on those diary sessions than the actual episodes. And I saw Matselo was commenting on that and she was like, hey, phela abantu bayakhuluma bama diary sessions. Hayibo, anciphiseni bo. So anyway, guys, one thing he says about uMatsele in those clips that they play, he says ukuthi uMatsele phela akasebenzi. This is from last season. Akasebenzi, kodwa she's well taken care of. uMatsele is like deep down he knows uMusa knows ukuthi yonke lento bekayikhuluma nonsense nje. But uMatsele, guys, she was surprised. She was the only one making comments. She was not the only one yena beno mangwabe. But the way she was surprised ngathi yeqala uyibona lento. And uMatsele vele asked uMusa ukuthi mina nawe endlini sayibukela lento. And he said no, but you always have comments. So I want you to come make your comments here so that we can talk about this. Now, uMatsele has said, guys, the dynamics of uMatsele and uMusa's relationship has changed. She said, indaba iqale ekutheni when she decided not to go to uMembeso kaMakhumalo, that's when uMusa started saying funny things about uMatsele. Remember, uMusa always spoke well about uMatsele. It was only this past season where he was saying negative things, and I guess he was hurt of the fact that uMakhumalo he was hurt at the fact that uMakhumalo goes all out for the rest of the other wives in supporting them. And when she had her special day, uMatsele as uMamkhulu couldn't even show up for uMakhumalo. So anyway, uMatsele says that's really where the problem started, and that's where he started. That's where really things started changing between him and I. Another thing that was mentioned on this episode, and I'm just like, guys, I didn't even see things in this way. This is when Umpumelelo, they played a snippet, and I'm not sure why they played ama episodes nyana kaMpumelelo because bekangena Umpumelelo in the wives type of thing. But I guess the producers were able to see ukuthi kuzoba nenkinga lana. I did not see this one coming. This is when Umpumelelo was saying ukuthi phela mina, I want my first wife to be a girl ophuma kwaCele. Yo, uMatsele was like, hayi wena. She was so surprised, you guys. And she's like, Umpumelelo yini lena ikhulumayo. In her diary session, uMatsele says, listen, I did not know which Umpumelelo wants to take a wife kwaCele. But the problem is with this is that I feel okay kwaCele I hope ukuthi angeke afele izono zami. So she's kind of saying ukuthi uMayeni, remember, this is where she says ukuthi uMayeni unalento yokuthi mina ngamthathela indoda. So if Umpumelelo is taking uCele as a first wife, it's like he's making his mother relive this thing of there was a girl kwaCele who surpassed me. I didn't even see it in that way, you guys. And Matsele was like, listen, I'm not fine with that because Umpumelelo, he should have spoken to me about that and asked me how I felt about that. And I trust Mayeni, she is not fine with that. I'm just like, guys, I did not even know that this could possibly touch a nerve uMayeni, because I'm just like, aibo ungenaphi, like uMayeni beno Matsele when it comes to those things. Can't it, guys? And I get it and I see it because it's like history in a certain way is surpassing itself or not surpassing or repeating itself. I'm just like, guys, this season, aibo. This season ingathi kuzoba kuningi nje. And listen, we are all here to see it unfold and unravel. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please also do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.